Welcome back. We do not want family Raj nor support unwanted candidate. That's what the Konkoni Youth Congress says. The bloc committee is divided. One group has opposed the appointment of Ashish Norana as the bloc president. The members said president was appointed without prior intimation. Members were sidelined. Group claims that newly appointed president is close aide of Joki Alemao and his appointment is nothing but re-entry of Joki in Kunkuli.
Mr. Ashish Norana एका प्रेसिडेंट म्हणून कुंकळी कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी ब्लॉक अपॉइंट केलेलो आसा. तेजेर आमी स्ट्रॉंगली ओपोज करतात आनी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडटात. कारण कित्याक की आमकां कुंकळी कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसीचे काँग्रेसाचे जे यूथ काँग्रेस आसात तांकां टोटली बायपास केलेले आसात. आमकां मातशें पण इंटिमेट करूंक ना, कांयच सांगूंक ना की एका आशीष नोरानाक कुंकळी ब्लॉक काँग्रेस कमिटीचो प्रेसिडेंट करता म्हणून. आनी आशीष नोराना हो जावन आसा एक्स MLAचो पयलीं जोकी आलेमा आसलेलो तेजो PA जावन आसा. हें एक जे प्लॅटफॉर्म तयार केलेलें आसा की आमचो एक्स MLA जो आसा जोकी आलेमा हेका री-एंट्री कुंकळी कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी करपाक लागून
आमकां जोकी आलेमाक एकूच आनी सगळे आवटसायडर्स आमचे कुंकळ्यांक येवपाक सोदता तांकां एकूच मॅसेज की आवटसायडर्स आमचे कुंकळ्यांक आमी केन्ना घेवचे ना.
Severe cyclone Helen has made a landfall in northeastern coast of Andhra Pradesh on Thursday. Cyclone has claimed 2 lives. 11,000 people have been evacuated and taken to 24 relief centers. 10 teams of National Disaster Relief have been positioned in different areas of Andhra. Sea condition is rough and fishermen are asked not to venture into the sea. Meanwhile, Met Department of Goa said there is no danger to Goa. Cyclone Helen was moving at the speed of 120 km per hour when it hit the Andhra coast. Heavy rains were witnessed with gusty winds. Around 20 rescue teams are deployed in flood zone areas. The cyclone made landfall in Machilipatnam. Around 11,000 people have been evacuated. West and East Godavari are worst hit. Krishna district, Guntur and Ongole are on alert. 42 villages around Machilipatnam are marked as vulnerable areas. Transport has been blocked due to uprooting of trees and collapse of electricity poles. Prudent contacted Director of Goa Met Department KV Singh. He said Goa is out of cyclone's reach.
See, गोवा में तो ये एक्चुअली आने की संभावना ही नहीं है पहली बात तो, क्योंकि ये ईस्ट कोस्ट में है और ये सिस्टम ये आपका जो कोस्ट क्रॉस होने के बाद में it will be decreased actually, system intensity will be decreased. So यहाँ पर this side ऐसे आने की कोई इसकी बिल्कुल संभावना नहीं है और यहाँ पर ऐसा कोई खाली थोड़ा बहुत क्लाउड डेवलपमेंट हो सकता है जो कि एक आध दिन के बाद में होने की संभावना है. अदरवाइज यहाँ पर कोई इसका इफेक्ट नहीं है.
With Bureau Input, Sushant Pearl for Prudent. In a shocking incident at IFE, a person breached security and walked straight inside the venue. But the man was innocent and he had come to watch the movie Ram Leela at Inox with his friends, unknown about IFE or what Inox is currently showing. He entered without a delegate pass or any delegate identity card, raising serious questions of security preparedness at IFE. Sachin Surlikar reports. Have a look at this man. He, along with his friends, had come to watch a Bollywood movie Ram Leela. He was unaware about IFE, nor was he aware of any delegate pass and security arrangements at IFE. He just walked in to book tickets for the movie.
कोणीच सांगू ना तुका गांव म्हणून तू टिकेटी काढूंक वयता म्हणून सांगलें तांकां
कोणी म्हाका विचारल्यार सांगतलो न्हू हांव डायरेक्ट
कोणी दुसरें ना तुका थंयसर काय तूं डेलिगेट न्हू पूण
ना डेलिगेट न्हू काय ना ऑर्केस्ट्रा पिक्चर पळोवपाक गेलो
इफ्फीन कसले पिक्चराक गेला तर तूं
अरे बाबा ते पेपरार येयल्ले रामलीला म्हणून आमी तिग जाणां येवपाक प्लॅन केलो
हा.
सो तो दुसरो हाडपाक गेलो म्हाका आनी हांव भितर सगळें तिकेट काडून रावतलो म्हणून मागीर पळयतालें सगळें शो चलता म्हटल्यार म्हाका काय खबर ना तेका
Surprisingly, there was no security check nor any security personnel stopped him. The man walked without any delegate identity or any pass. He says, "Why we need any pass? I'm a Goan."
तूं कसो येयलो तर हांगाच्यानूच येयल्लो
चल्ला मरे डायरेक्ट
खंयसरल्यान
तुमसून भितर चल्ला मरे
तूं हांगाच्यान भितर आयलो तुका डेली काय कार्ड बीन काय विसरूंक ना तुका हां
काय ना
तूं डायरेक्ट आयलो भितर
आनी तुमसून भितर चल्ला
हांगासून आयलो तूं भितर हांगासून ओके खंयसून डायरेक्ट भितर गेलो हांगाच्यान तूं
Although the incident did not spark any serious row, it definitely raised questions on security preparedness at IFFI. Reporter Sachin Sulikar for Prudent. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.